How to repost on Instagram. So first step is of course to open the application and go to the post that you want to repost. Now what you want to do is find the three icons right here, the heart, comment, and the direct message. So click on the direct message icon. Now in this page, you will see different options. And one of the options is add post to your story. So go ahead and click that. You will then be directed to the story page, and from here, you can tap on the image to see different version of the post. Either you can post the photo only with the name of the user, or you can post a photo with the caption of the user. You can also add text, filters, and stickers just like any other story. Now share that story, and you now reposted a post on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.